Hey there, tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we've got a quick and easy tutorial for you. Have you recently got a DirecTV remote and want to program it for your LG TV? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to sync up your DirecTV remote with your LG TV so you can start enjoying your favorite shows hassle-free. Step 1. Prepare. Before we begin, make sure your DirecTV remote has fresh batteries. It's also helpful to be near your LG TV during the programming process. Step 2. Locate remote mode. Now, take a look at your DirecTV remote. Near the top, you'll find a few buttons. Look for the mode button and press it until the green light at the top blinks twice. This indicates that the remote is ready to be programmed. Step 3. Enter code. Next, grab your LG TV remote. We'll need it to find the correct code for programming. Go ahead and power on your LG TV. Then, press and hold the TV button on your DirecTV remote while simultaneously entering the code provided in your DirecTV manual. If you don't have the manual handy, don't worry. We'll provide a link in the description below where you can find a list of DirecTV remote codes for LG TVs. Step 4. Test. Once you've entered the code, press the power button on your DirecTV remote. If your LG TV turns off, congratulations, you've successfully programmed your DirecTV remote. Step 5. Finalize. Finally, to lock in the code, press and hold the mode button until the green light blinks twice. This ensures that your DirecTV remote remembers the code even if the batteries are replaced. Conclusion. And there you have it. Programming your DirecTV remote for your LG TV is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite shows without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.